So if you're looking for a shout out, there's more than just a logo, and go check them out. It's maybe something like this. Then we're going to walk you through it. So first I go to the website that I stuck in the description. Right, once you're there, you won't precisely be able to miss it. Got a list of things, but firstly today we're going to just go through into the shout out player. All you need to do is literally type in your username. I'm not going to type in my proper name because I've already got it sorted and I don't precisely want to do it again. So we're going to just make up a random one while we're at it. And then you just literally go and turn it on. You can, well, should I say, after you turn in the username, you can turn on if it's going to be a channel reward. If you want it to be a channel reward, you can set that up. But we're not going to do that. We're going to just say no. You can set the max duration from 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. I would recommend muting the volume because you don't know what they've said in the clip. And don't precisely want to risk it just in case, because it could be a bad thing and get yourself into trouble in the process. So you want to purely keep that off just in case. Then obviously you can stick in a custom command, you can stick a custom username for that as well, but that is just a simple case of that. Exclamation point SO, which just sets it up easily enough. And then below that, copy the link that it gives. Easy peasy. Come back over to the OBS, open up a browser source, and if I can find the browser source, there we go. Make a new one, just say test, say OK, test new, paste in whatever the link is. And then hit OK. And as soon as someone does a shout out, it will come up there. You probably want to resize it as well so it's not so massive as well. So, yeah, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If this video has helped you, please do me a favour, hit that subscribe button, ding that bell for notifications, and please leave a nice thumbs up and a nice wee comment in the comment section on something that you might want to see in the future. So until then, guys, keep yourselves safe, have a fantastic evening, morning and afternoon, and until next time, happy streaming.
Get in yourself!
4K for me. Don't know how that ice didn't see him. Caught with the last bullet.
Oh. I lit him up a good bit. Managed to like get enough bullets down range to get the.
I do not know. On